Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start HCF highest common factor. If two or more algebraic expressions are given, then the common factor of the highest power is called HCF or highest common factor. Now here we have a question. Find the HCF of the given expressions 39 x to the power 7 y to the power 3 z and 91 x to the power 5 y to the power 6 z to the power 7. Solution. Now we take the first impression, 39 x to the power 7 y to the power 3 z. We can write it as 13 into 3 into x to the power 5 into x to the power 2 into y to the power 3 into z. These are the possible factors of the first impression. Now consider the second. 9 1 x to the power 5 y to the power 6 z to the power 7. Thirteen into 7. 13 into 7 is equal to 91. X to the power 5 y to the power 3 into y to the power 3 into z to the power 6 into z. Now we look the common factors. 13 is common in both. We write it as 13. X to the power 5 is common, x to the power 5. Y to the power 3 is common, y to the power 3. Z is common, z. So HCF is equal to 13x to the power 5 y to the power 3 z. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share my channel, like my videos. If you have any question in your mind, please write in the comment box. Thank you.